How do you do green screen on Instagram? And no, you don't need this. Okay, so once you're in Instagram, go to your profile, which will look like this. Click on the plus button in the top right corner, which will open up this. Click on Reel, and now it's gonna open up your camera. So at this point now, you're obviously looking at your camera, you're looking at yourself. And to find green screen, you've got two places. One right here at the bottom. Mine's already teed up. This is what it'll look like. Obviously, you can scroll here to different effects, but I'm gonna assume it's not there for you. So you wanna go over here to these three little stars here. Once you click on that, which is effects, it's gonna open up this. Now you can click on, again, assuming green screen's not right there, click on the magnifying glass in the top left corner there and type in green screen. Once you do that, you're gonna get a bunch of green screen options. You're looking for the one that has the silhouette with the green checkerboard behind you. And then you're all set to go, which is going to now look like this. You're gonna have a green screen behind you. You do not need to be standing in front of a green screen. Now, in order to put media, you're gonna click the Add Media button, which is right here, right above the play button, and it's gonna open up your camera roll. Now I've got some articles already teed up here, so this is an example of what I've talked about, which is news. And I'm gonna grab some news from the Lake of the Ozarks. So in this case now, I can shoot this video as is, I can press play, and I can just start talking. You can also adjust your size and move yourself around the screen. So you could just put your fingers on the screen on yourself, and I can squeeze myself down to make myself smaller. I can move myself up here. I can move myself over here. I can make myself really big. It doesn't really matter at this point. You can do this, and you can point down. You can do this, and you can point up. You can make yourself a little bit bigger. It's whatever you want to do here. Play around with it. Now, let's just say at this point, I want to play this for a second. So I'm going to go ahead and hold down the play button for just a minute and stop. And then if I want to change the media, so now I want to go and put a different image behind me, I would click the change media, go over here to a different image, and then I would put the image once again behind me. I could squeeze myself down. I could do whatever I want here and start talking, press play again, and now you've got consecutive images basically. So if I click the next button, now you're going to see the video. Just a minute. So here and the first section, and now you've got second section automatically goes together. Basically. And you can do this as often as you want, and then you click next, which takes you to the page where you would post. And that, my friends, is how you shoot a green screen, and you don't even need a green screen. It's simple, it's easy, use it.